Hi folks, Bob Holzacker here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. We have a wonderful pre-owned car in our showroom. It's kind of neat that it's in our showroom being a pre-owned car. Normally we would have these out there, but people think this is a new car. It's in wonderful shape. It's a 2017 E-Class. And it's just a great value. Not only is it well equipped with the AMG wheels and the AMG Sport package, right now it's 199% interest by Mercedes-Benz. We'll give you a 2-payment credit up to $1,500, and the car is $34,000. So it's about half price where this car was new. For 2017, the E300 was totally redone. It's just a nice upgrade over the 2016s. We don't change the cars often. When we do, it's a very big change. One important thing to note about this car, it's certified pre-owned. Only a Mercedes dealer can give you a certified car. Our techs check over it, 180-point inspection. They replace anything with original equipment parts only, and Mercedes puts an unlimited mileage warranty on the car. In this case, it's till September 12th, 2021, unlimited mileage. It's just wonderful. It is the 4MATIC. These cars are just sublime in snow here in Maine. Every wheel is powered. It's not like it has to shift from the front to the back. As a matter of fact, it's 55 rear, 45 front as far as the torque split. So it really is terrific. Why don't we take a look inside the car? We have keyless go, wonderful back seat, plenty of room. You can see the ambient lighting. You have 64 color choices of the ambient lighting. Green for St. Patrick's Day, red for Christmas. This is my favorite color, kind of the deep royal blue. You can see the panoramic sunroof here. Let's look in the front. You have the dark ash wood, real wood. Your seat controls are here and your heated seats. This has the Burmester Sound System. It's 580 watts. It's a little company in Berlin, and even if you don't listen to music very loudly, it has a great tonal quality, even listening to symphony or things at low volume. So why don't we get inside the car and we'll go through some of the controls and the features on the dash, okay? All right, we're inside the car now. Beautiful vehicle. I love the center stack here, the screen, 12-inch wide screen, the nav and the radio. All of that is with the controller here. It presents very nicely. Your volume is over here, very easy to get to. And this is your dynamic select. So you go from eco to individual, sport, sport plus. Most of the time you're being in comfort mode. And your controls up here will be your audio and phone controls, and over here cruise control. And what you see up there, this car has a little over than 22,000 miles on it, so it's just about like a new car. So that's it here from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. My name again is Bob Holzacker, and my phone number is 207-747-9714. Thank you.